myself Arnab, and welcome to my YouTube channel Arnab's World. Friends, we are all familiar with the term bank and banking, which have become an integral part of our life. Today, I have come to you with a brand new episode to give you an idea regarding the basic understanding of banks and the Indian banking system. As a prudent banker and having an experience of over 15 years in banking industry, it will be my privilege to share my experience with you all. Please watch this video till the end. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel Arnab's World by pressing the bell button. Now, before starting our discussion, we have to know what is meant by bank and the role of banks in banking. Very simply, if we see that banks are the financial institutions that accepts deposits from people and use the money for lending activities, and banking is the process or activity that involves acceptance of deposits and lending or for investments. Friends, now we come to the most important and exciting part of banks and banking process. I am sure that you sometimes think that how do banks earn profit? From where they get money to give interest to customers, and also from where they lend money to the people in need. Here, we will get to know the answers to your doubts. Friends, as we know, banks acts as an intermediary between people with surplus deposits and people who are in need of the money. People deposit their surplus deposit in banks in different deposit schemes as well as in their savings accounts, suppose at an interest rate of 6%. So banks need to pay the depositors at an annual rate of 6% at the end of the year depending on the deposit accounts. Now, banks lend the deposit paid money to the people in need for different purpose in the form of loans. The people who take the money are from different levels of the society, such as small farmers, big farmers, small businessmen, large business houses, etc. The loans that bank provide have an annual interest rate of suppose 14%. These interest rates varies with the type of loans that are being. Let us take an example to understand the process. Suppose X deposits rupees 100 at bank Y at an annual interest rate of 6%. So in this case, bank has to pay back rupees 106 after 1 year. Now, bank Y lends rupees 100 to borrower Z at an annual interest rate of 14%. So in this case, bank has to get back rupees 114 after 1 year. So after 1 year, bank Y gets rupees 114 from borrower Z, from which he pays back rupees 106 to the depositor X. So the gross profit of bank is 114 rupees minus 106 rupees, that is rupees 8. If we consider the administrative cost and other expenses of the bank for 1 year as rupees 2, then the profit stands at rupees 8 minus rupees 2 equal to rupees 6. Friends, I hope you have understood all the basics related to the working of the banks in this episode and how do they earn profit. I hope you have fully learned and enjoyed this video. In subsequent episodes, I will be back with more advanced banking techniques and processes. Friends, as we come to the end of this video, I want to extend my gratitude towards you for watching this video till the end. I thank you from the core of my heart. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel Arnab's World by pressing the bell button. I will be back with my next exciting video very soon. Till then, please do not forget to send me your questions, suggestions, so that I can incorporate those in my next video to make more exciting. Thank you all. Stay safe.